Echo, 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 echo. Plus. So if you remember a little while ago, we made a video for the original Echo. But since that line was being phased out as soon as we released that video, they were coming out with new Echoes. And we said in that video that we were going to try out one of the new Echo lines. And so here we have the Echo Plus with built-in smart home hub. Now, there's only a couple differences I hear about this, and that one is, it's got this built-in smart home hub, so you don't have to have a separate hub for, controlling like your home lights and fans and whatnot. But I think they also redesigned the speaker in here as well.
I heard about that too. It's sort of like a rumor that they re-engineered the speaker inside of here. So we're gonna have to test that out. Now, other than that, it looks like there's absolutely nothing different. In fact, we got the other box here to prove to you that it looks exactly the same. And no, the only difference is the color. This is slightly gray. This is black. I don't know how that's how it really is inside. It doesn't have the smart home. Oh, that's the same. Well, some of them are different, but you don't see any difference. It's got all the same music. It doesn't have Wi-Fi. I'm just kidding. It does, because if you look over here, it says that's got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the Zigbee, which is probably the smart home hub, and the Alexa voice service. So it's exactly the same, except it's got plus written all over it.
Sweet!
Well, let's open it up and see how different it is. Just peels right off there. One on top.
That can't ever go back. Yay!
Get a smiley Amazon.
No, it's A to Z.
Oh, I never got. Really? Is it really?
Yes.
Oh, I always thought it was a smile. That's smart. Okay. Ooh, so it is gray. Okay, I'm liking the new color so far.
I actually really dig that color.
Wow.
Okay, what else we got in here?
Deal with instructions. Stuff no one needs.
And the power outlet.
It's a nice box. It's packed in there pretty neatly, and it's nice and blue. Blue is my favorite color. Just so everyone knows, putting on a record right now, blue is my favorite color. For future reference, doesn't mean anything.
Well, you need more blue shirts?
Wow, it looks almost metal-like. Ooh. He's gonna break it. There we go. Ah. Ooh, it's pretty.
Okay, so that's just plastic. But
Yeah.
that is a pretty color.
One thing that's different is the port for the power is actually on the back of it instead of on the bottom where the cable routed through. And it has audio out. The old Echo did not have audio out. I think that was a well-requested feature. I think I even said in the video that I wish I had it. Other than that, everything looks just the same. But we do have the old Echo to compare it. So let's go ahead and get that guy. Here she is.
All right. Okay.
Wow. So height-wise, dead identical.
Even the buttons are the same.
Even the buttons are the same. You get the same holes along the top here, the same microphone holes.
That feels the same.
Okay, you get all the same holes around there. Like I said, the only difference is plug is down there and the audio out is on here. There's no audio out on the old one. It absolutely looks identical.
Do they sound identical?
Let's plug these in and see how they sound against each other. We got them both set up to Bluetooth on our phones. Let's go ahead and test out that new Echo. Okay.
Okay, let's hear the old one.
Definitely seems like the old Echo is louder than the Plus. And they were both at the same level. Alexa, volume 9. Computer, volume 9. So they're both at volume 9. Go ahead.
So the audio definitely is a lot louder on the original Echo. However, it is a lot more clear and less distorted on the newer Echo. It sounds a lot better. It's not as loud, but it's clearer. So the old one kind of sounds distorted, kind of like turning your car stereo up past the point of what max is, and then it's just like overdriving the speakers, and it sounds awful. This doesn't get as loud. Even if you put them both at the same volume, the old Echo just still sounds more distorted. For whatever reason, they got the audio quality a lot better on the newer Echo.
Now, the only other difference between these two is that this one has the smart home feature and the auxiliary out. Other than that, there is no other differences. But we do have some smart light bulbs to test out with this Echo, but that will be a video later on, so please keep an eye out for that video. If you want to know more about these Echoes, we did do a video on the Echo and the Echo Dot. We did go more in depth as to what these Echoes could really do for you. So subscribe if you haven't already, and keep an eye out for that other video. Now, on the subject of smart bulbs, this one does come with a smart bulb for $150. Or you can buy it without the smart bulb for $150. So make the smart decision and get the smart bulb.
The link's down below in the description. If you get one and you like it, let us know in the comments, and we'll see you guys next time.